pointing out some of the wildlife we might see, and we can also all have a very good look at how the other half live in some of their very expensive properties. On the return journey, I just put on some background music. Also on the return journey, if any children would like to have a go at steering this boat, they're very welcome to do so. And the water to my right, we have a family of swans with their cygnets. Cygnets are probably more equivalent of teenagers now. I wrote a book called The Coop Club.
Oh, yeah.
It's named after the bird and based on the Norfolk Broads. But for those of you who are not entirely sure where you actually are at the moment, I can tell you that we're on a river called the River Bure. This river is one of 7 that connects the Norfolk Broads together, and all the rivers combined accumulate to roughly 125 miles of navigable waters. Made by a local artist all the way down to Britain that she found and slowly pieced together. The smaller holiday rental starts at £850 for the week.
No.
Slightly more alternative way of moving to the village is to become the local vicar. Here down the dyke on the left, you'll soon see a black property with a white bench to the right of it. This house is lived in by Rev Rob. This is often seen driving through the village in his mini convertible Cooper with a private registration Rev 1. Just in front of that white bench you'll see a small blue and white speedboat moored up, which he often takes down the water for a Sunday morning church service. And you'll see the vicar's in the garden at the moment. It's been a hard day. But I'm about to pass one of the most photographed properties, this white windmill. Once fires either. A very comfortable diving underwater. They can be lost for 20 seconds whilst they're hunting for fish.